Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Thulisile Kolweni, and if you are new here, well, welcome to my channel. And if you are my day one, well, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for clicking to watch this video. Anyways, in today's video I am gonna be doing a summer look, so that's basically it. Like, I'm creating a summer look. As you can see, I've already put my foundation and did my eyebrows off camera. So basically what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use the palette from Scarlet where you can get it at Mr. Price, and I've done this before. And yeah, so let's get into the video. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna use this compact mirror pro concealer from LA Girl. I'm running out, I need a new one, so I'm gonna use this palette. Love, and that's the palette, which is that shade. And now I am gonna go off camera and finish off my face, and then I will be back. Alright, there you have it guys. I am done with my whole face. And yeah, I hope you like the eyeshadow that I made, or I did, in my eyes. And yeah, and I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who's already subscribed. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to like this video if you like it, and comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.